In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create another Yahoo email account quick guide. By the end, you'll have a fresh Yahoo mailbox ready to use, and you'll understand exactly what each screen is asking for, so there are no surprises. Start by opening your web browser. Chrome or Edge both work great. In the address bar at the very top, type yahoo.com and press enter. That takes you to Yahoo's homepage. Look for the mail option, usually in the top right corner, and click it. If you're taken to a sign-in screen, don't worry, that's expected. Instead of signing in, choose Create an Account. This opens the account setup form. On the form, enter the details Yahoo needs to create your new account. You'll be asked for your name, a new Yahoo email address, and a secure password, along with basic information like your birth date. If your preferred address is taken, try small variations. Add a word, a number that's meaningful to you, or a short descriptor to keep it memorable. For the password, use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account safe. Double check for typos before proceeding. When everything looks good, click Next. You'll then be asked for a phone number. Make sure the country code is correct and use a number you can access right now. Yahoo uses this to verify you're really you and to help with account recovery later. Click Receive Code by text. You should get a verification code within a few seconds. Keep your Messages app open so you can grab it quickly. Back on the Yahoo page, enter the code exactly as it appears. If it doesn't arrive right away, wait a moment and ensure your signal is strong. Then enter the code and click Next to continue. From here, just follow the on-screen prompts to finish creating your account. Yahoo may show a confirmation message and then take you straight to your new inbox. If you see any optional setup screens, such as simple preferences, you can accept the defaults and move on. That's it, you've created another Yahoo email account. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Keep your password in a secure place and consider enabling account recovery options in your settings so you can get back in easily if you ever need to. If you switch between multiple Yahoo accounts on the same device, make sure you sign out when you're done to avoid mixing them up. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new Yahoo